Hi everyone. So I got home last night from a quick weekend trip. We went over to Arizona and they have Dollar General there, which I was so excited because I don't have one here where I live. So I scored big time, you guys. I went in just to see what they have. I remember people posting months ago that they had Cutter-B scissors for like $2. So that's what I went looking for. Oh my gosh, and I found so much other amazing stuff. So you guys know I love Disney, and there is this diamond shaped box that's this beautiful like hollow blue. It says Disney 100. It was $20. Ugh. If it was like 10, I would have been all over it. But my mom was like, get it, you're gonna regret it. We don't have this store to come back to, just get it. So I blame my mom for this purchase. And then the handle's got this like glitter in there. It's so cute. So it makes bracelets. So it says it has over 500 pieces. And then it shows you on the back everything that it has. And for me, I hardly ever see Forky items. So that was a big deal. I love Stitch. He's one of my ultimate favorite characters. And then the little aliens, I love them too. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to snatch this. Let's just go. Then it comes with the little bracelets, and then it comes with different color beads that coordinate. And there's like little hearts and flowers and all kinds of cute stuff. So I'm really happy that I ended up buying that one because I think she's right. I would have regretted it. So I found that first. And then I also found the Valentine's Day section. And as we were walking out, I found their Christmas clearance. So their Christmas food was $50, but Christmas items period, like anything else, was $70. So I think I'm going to start there because I think it's going to be a lot faster to go through that stuff than the Valentine's Day stuff because I think it's just kind of all like mixed in here. It was self-checkout there, so that was interesting. There was like hardly anybody working. So I got this pack right here. So this was 30 cents. The majority of the stuff I bought was 30 cents. So these are just like extra little pieces of like a fake Christmas tree. So I was thinking about adding these to my Dollar Tree Christmas tree just to like fatten it up. So I'm like, this will be easy just to, you know, wind it around like the pole and then just, you know, make it look thicker. So I got, I think 2 of those. Yeah, there's 2 of those. And then these were beautiful like point setup placemats. And these were $3. So what would that be, like 90 cents? And I only got one because I haven't done it. And I'm going to do it this year. I'm going to put it on my to-do list. Well, it's been on there. But I want to coffee dye paper. And I thought like all this little like details would be so pretty. So I got one of those. I should have just taken them all and just had it for like a placemat for at home. But yeah, I got this for crafting. I think it's gorgeous. I love the like metallic red to it. They had a Ninja Turtle stocking. So I'm going to use this one for my brother for next year. So that was $5. So what was that, like maybe $1.50 maybe? So I got that guy. 30 cents for 2 little mini bags that have snowflakes on them. This garland, they had multiple and I kind of regret now not getting it. So again, like 90 cents. And what I want to do is I want to cut them and just use them for like layering pieces. Like, wouldn't this be pretty to have like a rosette on the bottom, put this on top, and then like layer another piece of embellishment on top? So I do regret not buying the other 3 or other 2 that they had. Because when I first saw it, I'm like, what am I going to do with it? I don't want to like, you know, hang it up anywhere because it doesn't match like my house decor stuff. So I only grabbed one. And then of course when I leave and I'm sitting in the car driving, I'm thinking about all the things I could do. And I'm like, oh, I regret not getting the other ones of those. This little solar bauble mini. She was originally $5. So like the $1.50 for that one. I got quite a bit of tags because again they were only 30 cents. So I had to get this one because I had my little Nomi homies in there. And then I love this. Open on December 25th, just for you. Open me, let's be merry. I thought these were really great. These from Santa with Love, the December 25th North Pole delivery. I love these. So I also want to use these to make some cards, and then I'm going to use some of them for like my scrapbooking. So I got another one of that one. These little mini trees, 30 cents, you guys. How cool is that? 30 cents. I got quite a bit of those. So here's another one of those. I'm sure there's more in the other bag also. Excuse me. Let's see. I only found one box of cards, which I was kind of surprised by. So this one has 30 cards, 5 different designs. So $4 would have been what, like $1.20? So I thought that was really good. I got this pack of ribbon. So this one was probably like about $1.50. And I just really wanted this red for Valentine's Day. And then the rest I'll just end up saving for Christmas time. These little mini wreaths came out to 30 cents. Like this one's missing the little berries. See, it has berries here. It's missing them here. But I don't even think I'm going to be really using the berries anyway. So it kind of saves me to have to, you know, take them off. Oh, I could actually use this kind of as a template. So that way I get like the size down, and then I can make more out of these. Oh, I like that idea. I think I'm going to do that. So, okay. See, ideas. Some more mini trees. Oh, see, here's what it's supposed to look like with the berries on it. Okay, so this guy, I don't know where he came from. I was going to pay, and it was just in the basket. And I was like, Sonny, did you put him in there? And he's like, no. And I asked my mom, like, did you put him in my basket? And she's like, no. So I have no idea when or how he fell into my basket. And I'm like, well, obviously it's meant to be, right? So I took him. He was only 30 cents. But yeah, I don't even know how he ended up in my basket. But obviously he wanted to come live with me. So that's my new guy there. Let's see. Here's some more of those tags. Again, like these little like chubby Nomi guys. I just had to have them. And then like, look at the little like mushroom house. I thought was so cute. And Santa Stop here. I love these. You guys, they had so much stuff. I mean, like half an aisle full of items that I wanted to buy everything. I just had a hand basket, and I was like carrying my bead kit in the other hand, and you know, I'd put it on the floor to grab things, and my mom was like, girl, your basket is full, like stop buying stuff. And I'm like, no, it's because we don't have the store and I'll never be able to get it. So yeah, I wanted to go more crazy, but I went semi crazy. I got these, like, look at this, like, postage one. I'm obsessed. And this Welcome to the North Pole, I love those. Then this one, Santa Stop Here. I was like, yes, I need those in my life so much. Then here's like another set. These I want to turn into cards. I figured these would be really cute, like 3x3 cards. See, everything's like falling. I just got so much stuff. Like, look at my little red truck. I love him. So, and then the little like farmhouse. Love those. I found a pack of gnome bags. Super cute. 30 cents. All of this. 30 cents, you guys. Oh, look at these. Little light bulb tags. 30 cents. Like, how was I going to leave them? And I left a ton, you guys. I left so much. See, look, some more of those trees. I bought a ton of those trees. These were really cool. 30 cents. And they're little notepads. I just loved it. I thought these were really cute. So I ended up with a Santa, a sleigh, and a little Rudolph. So love those. Oh my gosh, everything's falling at me. And let's see. Oh, I found a bag of these little clips that I thought were super cute. I want to see if I have tiny little googly eyes. I'm going to glue them on there. I think that'd be so funny and cute. So those were 30 cents. I found some Old Maid cards, 30 cents. And then a little Crazy 8s, 30 cents. So that's all the Christmas stuff. Let me pick up some of this stuff so then I can show you the Valentine's Day stuff. Okay, so I forgot. Sunny Boy wanted this little Adorables. He loves collecting these, and it was just like cute little Mickey house. And then there was more in the back, but we didn't see any of these. They had like 3 of these little houses, so he got that one. So I'm gonna go give that one to him. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I don't know if the little house is scratched, or if that's just the packaging. So hopefully it's just the packaging and not the little house. And then for Valentine's Day, I had to get these because of the little pizza. I was like, there's no way that I can leave that there. We do Wednesday every pizza Wednesday. So these were $1 because it's Valentine's Day. I like got one pack of these stickers right here. I thought they were really cute. I liked the little Happy Valentine's Day little sticker here. And then I liked these little like flag ones right there, and I like that it was in black, you know, it wasn't all like pink and red, so I grabbed that one. They did have a couple of other ones, but I don't know, they didn't really speak to me, so I didn't get any of those. And then the last item I got, which I thought was so cool, so I know somewhere in my stash I have these like little bling jemmies that are hearts that I got from Dollar Tree, but these are completely different. These have glitter in them. So I thought that was really nice. I definitely don't have anything like that in my stash. And then I like that these come in 3 different sizes. So I was like, yes, why don't they do this more instead of just having them all the same size? Like break it up. Oh wait, is it 4 different sizes? Oh, it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I actually thought these were the same size, but they're not. Oh, same thing on these red ones. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I love that. Yeah, see, companies need to do this more. Do like the same color, but do a variation of sizes. Oh my gosh, I would love that so much. Like, imagine putting like a little like larger heart with a couple little smaller ones. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so cute. I cannot wait to use those. So yeah, that's my little trip over to Dollar General. I did hit up Hobby Lobby in Arizona and on my way home in Victorville. So I'll do a separate video on what I got from there. And surprisingly, I did find some Christmas items that were 90% off. I was really, really surprised at that there was still even anything around. So, like I said, stay tuned. That video will be coming up in the next couple of days. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.